What's up, guys? Bang, bang. It is lunch money time while Wall Street's trying to get rich. Or us just trying to get a lunch money right. And we got a new camera. That's right.
Look at how shiny my forehead is.
Yeah, because you got a shiny ass forehead looking like gold out here. Don't worry.
Wild.
Don't forget that lunch money is not sponsored by BlockFi. BlockFi has 3 products. They buy and sell crypto on a crypto exchange where you can go do that with no fees. 2 is you can deposit crypto and earn up to 8.6% APY in an interest-bearing account. Or you can deposit crypto and take out a US dollar loan to get your crypto collateral. Go check them out. I'm an investor. I sit on the board. I'm a happy user. And you will be too if you have a BlockFi account. And you can get on the wait list for the new Bitcoin Rewards credit card, where it's a credit card, but you get paid back in Bitcoin rather than cash back. Go to BlockFi.com/Pomp. Again, BlockFi.com/Pomp. What's up?
What is up is, guys, there's a lot of scammers in the comments. I try to go in, tell you not to message that WhatsApp number. Whenever you see somebody named Anthony Pompliano, be skeptical. It's probably not him. If he's asking you for money, if he's asking you to text the WhatsApp.
It's definitely not me. I don't want you to text me and I ain't want your money.
Exactly. So please don't fall for the scams. I am seeing it every day. And the second thing.
Scammers are losers.
The second thing. Yesterday, we talked about how to properly tie your shoes. Well, one of our video editors named Jordy has a third method. It's not lupin soup. It's not bunny ears. It's some sort of sorcery. I want you to look at this video.
I actually haven't seen the video
and we
yet.
will play it for you, and then you can decide in the comments what kind of thing this is. Ready?
Play it now.
Okay, here we go. So start here.
Right?
Wait, what?
Okay.
Replay. No, the people need to see it again.
He did a slow-mo version. He did a slow-mo version. Watch it.
Slow-mo.
Okay, here's the same thing, but slower.
I think it's just lupin soup, but like a bougie-ass version of lupin soup.
I don't know what that just was, but I'm pretty convinced that Jordy is a wizard and knows magic. What the hell was that?
Right? If anybody can decode this in the comments, please let us know.
It's like one of those movies where it's like, and then bam, you're just like dressed.
As a fellow magician, I really appreciate this.
It's like, bam, and then all of a sudden you're dressed.
All right.
All right, next.
Are we ready?
Jordy, don't be showing me any more magic today. Yeah, let's do it.
Coinbase's financials are now public ahead of its stock market listing debut. Coinbase is going public. We now have access to its financials. Have you read the S1?
Yeah, part of it. I haven't finished the whole thing yet, but I've read a lot of it. 1.3 billion in revenue last year. They did about $322 million of profit, and 96% of the revenue comes from the crypto exchange.
And apparently it has been putting crypto assets, including Bitcoin, on its balance sheet since 2012.
Of course, they're in the crypto business.
Wow,
what else are they going to do?
Wow.
Look, this is a fantastic business. It is run by great operators. They are the #1 brand in the space, and they are growing very quickly. I, through an SPV, have financial exposure to the business, and I am very excited to see what happens when they go in the public markets. Fingers crossed that the world accepts them with open arms and really likes their business.
Guys, if you make fun of my forehead today, I will be very upset. Please
Ain't nobody gonna make fun of your forehead. They're gonna make fun of your 5 head.
No, that's why I wear my hair down. But today I heard you. I'm not even gonna acknowledge you because he being a bully.
Yeah,
okay.
I mean, you got a pretty big 5 head there.
Like, it's just so shiny today.
Damn.
All right. So
you look like a car that got waxed before it went to the classic car show. Sheesh.
What you got? Look at your forehead.
I got a leather forehead.
All right, be quiet.
Like I live life. I've been through things.
Sorare, I think, is how you pronounce
it. It's called Sorare.
Oh.
Wow. Nicholas, did you hear that? Nicholas, did you hear that?
Sorare sounds much more exotic.
No, so rare.
Sorare.
No, it's so rare.
Sorare.
It's literally spelled S-O-R-A-R-E.
Exactly, Sorare.
And it's in the collectibles space. It's so rare.
Listen to me. A platform that provides digital soccer collectibles in collaboration with big name teams has raised $50 million in Series A funding to grow its community and launch a mobile app. The backers include some pretty serious names: Benchmark, Excel, Gary Vaynerchuk, Alexis Ohanian. What is Benchmark doing in a soccer collectible, Sorare?
So rare. It is incredibly intelligent in terms of what they're building. They basically have created fantasy football in the United States, but for soccer internationally. And
That's
what you have to do is rather than draft players, you have to buy the NFT card. And then if you own the card, you can play it in the game. So it's a very, very interesting way to do kind of sports engagement, also to have a virtual game and also incorporate NFTs. And they are growing very quickly. One of the founders, Nicholas, and the rest of the team seem to have really kind of cracked the code on this. So one, I think they're going to continue to grow, but also two, is it would not surprise me somebody goes and builds the exact same game for fantasy football here in the United States and kind of really tries to replicate, the product market fit that they found.
Goldman Sachs in news. What does Goldman Sachs hate? Goldman Sachs hates remote work. CEO David Solomon called it an aberration. He said that the firm had basically still managed to have an average of less than 10% of its staff working in its offices around the world. He said, I do think for a business like ours, which is an innovative, collaborative, apprenticeship culture, this is not ideal for us, and it's not a new normal. It's an aberration that we're going to correct as quickly as possible. He wants people back to work, butts in seats, in front of computers, in your cubicle. That's all.
Don't be the monkey sitting in the cage. That's all I'm going to say. If you work at a company where they say you got to go into an office, they don't even give you the choice. Yeah, what they're saying is that they don't trust you. They're saying that they can't operate with you remotely. They're saying that they can't actually allow you the freedom to be a human. Humans weren't made to sit in cages. Humans weren't made to sit in cubicles. Humans were not made to be hunched over computers all day. Stop trying to make them do that.
But we were just talking the other day how maybe it would be much more valuable to have a team to work together in person because,
give people the option.
Yeah.
Say, listen, there's an office. If you want to go into the office, come in. We would love to have you. We can work together. If you don't want to come in, don't come in. But humans were not made to sit in cubicles. Humans were not made to be hunched over computers all day. Stop it. Stop the madness.
Fanatics?
Yes.
Okay. Fanatics China will be a joint venture with investment firm Hill House Capital in an Asia-focused private equity fund. So Fanatics is holding off a potential IPO, but it's busy expanding its global operations in China.
Fanatics is a fantastic business. I think that they will continue their global domination. And when you look at places like China, although I don't like their human rights record, losers, I do believe that it has a massive consumer market and there will be lots and lots more sports fans. Obviously, they're really big with the NBA, et cetera. But important, we should not chase profits over holding people accountable for their human rights record.
Fair.
Okay, next.
Okay, so apparently NASA hid a secret message on a parachute that landed its Perseverance rover down on the surface of Mars. And of course, the internet sleuths have been all over it. They have cracked the code. Apparently, the parachute it used for landing appears to have been secretly inscribed with the phrase, "Dare mighty things," a motto used by the Perseverance team at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab in Pasadena, California. That's really cool, right? Dare mighty things.
If you live your life with the career title of internet sleuth, we probably need to have a conversation.
You would be friends with the sleuths.
No,
it's such a hard word.
No, I'm friends with the memers. If you make memes on the internet, we're automatically friends. Like if you're a good meme dealer, we're immediately friends. If you're a meme lord, then we're friends. If you're an internet sleuth, I don't know. Kind of sounds like another name for conspiracy theorists in my book. By the way, conspiracy theorists happen to be right quite often.
If you guys have watched The Cecil Hotel on Netflix, you know exactly what he's talking about. Okay, so we are now on Ask Lunch Money Time, #AskLM in the comments below. In addition to what was Jordy's sorcery, ask your question. All right. Daniel J asks, favorite clothing brand? I don't know. I mean, during quarantine, probably Lululemon if I have to. I don't know. What about you?
I don't belong to any tribe. I'm an independent.
That's true. He never wears, well, except Nike, wear all the Nike stuff.
So sometimes you catch me with a little Nike on, but that's not out of choice. It's just out of necessity because I needed a pair of shorts. Now it's the only fresh pair I had, clean pair I had.
But what are you wearing today? What's your favorite clothing brand?
That's not a clothing brand.
The Profile.
That is a brand on my shirt.
Okay. Moist. Counter day 11.
Today's day 11. Yesterday was day 10. We had an issue. We were reading the day before's comment.
Exactly.
So yesterday was day 10. Today's day 11. All right, Moist, we're on track. Let's roll.
Yesterday he said day 10 of commenting. I am not today, but sometimes I do watch this whilst on the toilet. Bromate connections. Also, I thought about it. Soulmate, like get it? Soulmate, S-O-L-E, like the shoe, when you were tying the shoe, soulmate. Anyway, bromate connections are real, and I feel it too, Pomp. What? Anyway, I thought about that joke when I was going to sleep last night. I was like, I got to bring that up tomorrow. He dunks his Oreos for 3 to 5 seconds, let it drip for a second or two after I pull it out, then I consume.
He didn't say pull it out. He said I pull out. I got you, Moist.
Anthony, it's a kid show here.
That's why there's no kid that knows anything about pulling out.
Please.
He said, I dunk my Oreos for 3 to 5 seconds, let it drip for a second or two after I pull out, then I consume.
Literally kill me. Moist, you are not getting.
By the way, that's a wrong answer. It's supposed to be 5 to 8 seconds, but we're cool because you wrote it in a funny way.
Do you know how long 5 to 8 seconds is?
We're not trying to have a wet Oreo. We're trying to have a soggy Oreo, a little bit of soggy in there. That's Come on, disgusting. 5 to 8 seconds. Okay. Everybody knows the rules.
Moist is not getting a call from me.
But Moist, I appreciate the answer. That was funny. All right, I have a new question. Moist, important. Do you put your socks on or your pants on first?
What kind of psychopath puts their socks on first? All right, well, we'll see.
Don't disappoint. See ya.
Bang, bang. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Lunch Money as much as we did.
And don't forget, Lunch Money is now sponsored by BlockFi, so go check them out. There's a link in the description that you can click on. I'm an investor, a user, and a huge fan. What?
You're a bigger fan of BlockFi than you are of me?
BlockFi is my second favorite thing in the world behind Polina. They've got 3 products. They can give you a US dollar loan. You can earn up to 8.6% interest on an interest-bearing account, or you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on their crypto exchange. I personally use the interest-bearing account. There's not very many places where you'll find up to 8.6% interest on a deposit in an interest-bearing account. Go do your own research. There's risk associated, but 8.6% is pretty compelling. So click on the link in the description. Say thanks to the folks at BlockFi. Subscribe to our channel. Like the video. Annoy Polina in the comments. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
And be kind to your friends.